Hello, and welcome to today's ClassClac tutorial on calculus. Let's start off with a derivative. We'll take d by dx of 5x squared plus 3x. As we can see, leaving the x equals field blank will give us a symbolic answer to our derivative. If we fill in this field, we'll instead get a numeric answer, which corresponds to the slope of the tangent line. So, for example, filling in 0.3 will give us the slope of the tangent line at x equals 0.3. To see the graph of our function, we'll have to move to the graphing calculator. As we can see here, ClassCalc will plot the symbolic answer to our input, which is -3 plus 10x. If we plug in a value for x, we'll instead see the original function and its tangent line at that point. As you can see here, the tangent line has a slope of 0. Next, let's explore integrals. We'll start off by taking the symbolic integral of sine x, which will give us the negative cosine x function. Next, we can plug in our bounds to see the area under the curve of the original sine function. As a final bonus, I can change my bounds to constants, for example, a and b, and then tweak those numbers as I'd like to see how the integral changes. And that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in to this ClassCalc tutorial. For more, visit classcalc.com/tutorials.